For have a beautiful Windows terminal, you can do a simple 2 steps, like picking a color scheme or changing your font. So for changing the color scheme, Windows terminal provides for us set of colors, like just pick one. You can change it by clicking a selection profile and clicking in appearance and just select one here. I personally prefer the one half dark, but the default is dark plus or comfortable. So, but if you want other colored schemes, you can just search for Windows terminal custom color scheme or something like this, and have websites like this, Windows terminal themes, and for this we can just pick it a theme here. So I'll search for one like Tokonite. I personally like to do Rose Pine, and you can just select, of course, light or dark themes. Going back to Rose Pine, and let's see the colors. Okay, and you can get theme. So after this, you can just open your JSON file for the Windows terminal, and in schemes you add the object that you copied, and save the file. The terminal will load, and you can go and change it to your new theme. And probably I need to restart terminal. Yes, Rose Pine is here. So it's too simple for a new color scheme. Okay. And for changing the font, we have where to find the fonts too. With Windows, and we have an option to show all fonts that will be more fonts. But we can search for another fonts, and it's right here. So here we have a lot of fonts that we can just download, or we can preview to like this. And after you pick and select the font that you want, you can just click in download. What I select it? So download the font, and download. Yes, it's good. And we save it here, and now we can select all the files, just not select original devices, and install. So the Windows will install the fonts, and in your terminal now, probably will be here, but maybe we need to restart the terminal again. Yeah. Let's close and you can go settings, let's check the final result.